salad table units. These units are going to be refrigerated on the bottom as well. They're going to help maintain the containers or whatever you store on here to be cold. Brand on these units are going to be our own company brand. As you can take a look, sticker will be located on the front. We are going to have 3 sizes available, as you can see them right here. We'll go ahead and demonstrate one by one. Let's go ahead and start off with the 47 inch. Let's give you the overall dimensions as well as the inside and exterior. For the length, you're going to be looking at an exact of about 47 inches. For the depth, you're looking at 34 inches. Overall height from the bottom up until the top counter over here, you're going to be looking at about 54 inches high. The unit does have wheels, casters on the bottom, so it'll make it easier for you to move it if you need to move it from place to place. Now it also has a counter cutting board over here on the top. As you can see, we have glass on the top. Okay, so glass will be located on both sides of this unit, and also this glass helps cover, you know, any dust from going on the bottom over here or into the food, whatever you place on the inside. So you will be provided with these 1/6 pans. If you don't want these, you can switch them out, use the full-size pans. This unit fits about 3 full-size pans. So all depending on your needs, you can change these up. But the unit will come with these 1/6 pans. And you're gonna be looking at a total of 18 for this 47 inch. Now let's go ahead and show you the inside of the unit. These doors are going to be automatic closing doors. Okay, so you got automatic closing doors. We go ahead and open these up. You have 2 shelves inside, and you also have an instruction manual book. So if you have any questions on how to start it or having issues or problems, make sure to check out the book. All the information is right there. On the side of the unit, we have stickers with your ETL certification. You also have model, more information on the electrical for the unit. For example, you got your watts, voltage, all that information you can locate on the sticker inside. Now if you follow me over here to the back of the unit, we have a plug. It is going to be a standard plug, 110 volt. Just hook it up to your normal outlet and it'll be ready to go. Now you also have your temperature control panel on the back. It is going to be a Dixel panel. This is where you can set your temperature. It'll display the temperature to which the unit is running. You can there's also a defrost and of course the set switch. You can change the temperature to whatever temperature you want the unit to run on. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration for our first unit. Let's go on to our second unit. This is going to be our 60 inch salad table, open salad table. All these units are going to be the same. Only difference is the size and the space on the inside for the containers. Okay, so this is going to be our 60 inch length. You're looking at 60 inches, 5 feet. For the depth, it'll be 34 inches, and the overall height is going to be 54 inches for the unit. Now, for the 1/6 pans will be included for the unit. For this unit, you can do the full-size pan. It'll fit 4 full-size pans for this unit. Now, inside dimensions, I'll go ahead and cover that as well. You're going to be looking at a depth of about 19 inches for the inside. For the length, you're going to be looking at about 57 inches for the length. And for the height, you're going to be looking at about 24 inches, 2 feet. Okay, so that's going to be an inside dimension, same for all sizes. Okay, inside dimensions is going to be the same. Now on to the last one. This is going to be our 72 inch salad table. Length. To be exact, it'll be 70 and a half. Okay. Depth is going to be the same. 34 and 54 of the height. As we explained, you have glass on both sides of the unit. You have a little counter on the top as well. You got your cutting board. You got your containers included as well. You can switch these out if you don't need these with the full size. For this unit, you can fit up to 5 full-size pans. Okay, so if you have any other questions or are interested in one of these units, feel free to go on our website, CoolerDepotUSA.com. We'll have more information on our website. You can purchase one of these on our website. you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.